it's Miss Dignan. Today's lesson is all about fractions in origami. What we're actually going to do is fold a piece of paper to show different fractions. The reason why we're going to be showing different fractions is because you can fold your paper however you like. I'm going to give you an example of what the expectation is with my paper first, and then show you another example. This is my piece of paper. I'm going to fold it into equal-sized pieces. Right now I'm making 3 equal-sized pieces. These are thirds. Now I'm going to make another fold to make more equal-sized pieces and another fold to make more equal-sized pieces. I'm going to end there. And now I'm just going to trace all the lines that I have. Not tracing it very neatly for the sake of time in the video, but if you could trace them neater, that would be appreciated. So I have 12 pieces. The denominator of my fraction is going to be twelfths because I have 12 pieces altogether. I'm going to color some of them in orange. 1/12, 2/12, 3/12. 3/12 is also 1/4 of this fraction. It's 1/4 because if I take this piece and moved it to here, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. And one column would be entirely filled in. So I could represent my fraction like this, 3/12, or simplified, or an equivalent fraction of 1/4. I'm going to do it again with a different paper. I can use whatever kind of scrap paper I have available in my house. This is some scrap paper I had laying around. And so I'm going to make some folds to make some equal-sized pieces. There. Okay, I'm done. There. Now I'm going to color in some pieces. I'm actually going to draw the lines on here so that you can see them at home. There. It just makes the folds a little bit more distinct. Okay. So, what is my denominator? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, so it's out of 8. How many did I color in? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4, 8. But is there another way I could represent this fraction? Can I simplify it or find an equivalent fraction? Well, if I have this one moved up and this one moved up, then I've colored in half the pieces. So it's also 1/2 of the colors. The paper's colored in. So I'd like you to try this. Fold a paper into some equal-sized pieces, color some in, find out what the fraction of the pieces colored in is, and then see if you have any equivalent fractions in your shading. That's all for now. Good luck, have fun. Can't wait to see what your fractions look like.